Hi, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about the TX-NR1009. This is going to be a quick walkthrough of the connections and what the amp actually looks like. So here we go, we've fired it up, and as you notice across the front panel it's got HQV video processing as well as the QDO 4K video scaling. It's THX certified and it will actually have Spotify built in, and you can control it from your iPhone. Now here we have the input selections, slimline buttons, and also the pure audio button. You get a small indicator light telling you that it's actually on. It also shuts the display off and it shuts the video circuitry off. Here we have the glow around the volume dial. In the picture it looks blue, but actually in real life it's a much whiter colour. The drop down flap at the front of the unit hides the less commonly used buttons. And here we have a quick run through. We've got the main power button, a headphone socket, zone 2 and zone 3 and tone control buttons, the monitor out, which allows you to switch between the two HDMI outputs on the back, the display button, which can give you information of the incoming and outgoing signal if necessary, and the main setup button using the jog controls up, down, left, right and enter to allow you to navigate through the setup pages, and the home button for on the fly changes that you may need. Here we have the tuner section, the DSP section, so you can actually change the sound fields. We have a front USB input, HDMI input, composite video, analog left and right, and an optical digital input. And here's the port for the setup mic to allow you to do the Odyssey calibration. Now let's take a look at the back of the unit. Here we go, and the first thing we're going to cover is the 3 coaxial digital inputs on the back and the 2 optical inputs. All of these are assignable to any of the labels on the front of the unit. Here we've got the USB, the Ethernet, the universal port, and the RI control for proprietary control of Onkyo products. RS-232 control, and also the Ethernet will allow IP control along with the standard RS-232 controls. We've got your analog inputs all the way along the bottom, composite video in and S video in. We've got 7 HDMI inputs and 2 HDMI outputs. The ARC functionality is only available on the main out. We have 2 component inputs which are fully assignable, along with a component monitor out. We have an IR jack in and out, 12 volt triggers for zone 2 and zone 3. We have pre-outs if you want to add separate power amplifiers for all of the channels, and we have a multi-channel input that can be assigned if necessary. There's also a VGA input, so you can run a laptop or PC directly in, along with an AM FM antenna for the built-in tuner and all the speaker binding posts. So this enables you to use bare wire or 4mm banana plugs. Hope you've enjoyed this introduction, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.